Good morning everyone. Today I will be teaching about how to install the RStudios for the R language programming environment. So first of all, we need to search the RStudio download. So after that, we just click on the link. So we need to install RStudio, but we need to install R first because this is the IDE. So we can download. Click on this, and then download R for Windows, and then click install R for the first time, and then download 4.4.2 for Windows. Just click on, then it will download. After that, we need to download the RStudio, so we just click on this. It will be downloaded. Once we download the R and the RStudio, so we need to set up the R first. So open R and choose a language that you want. So OK, and then next, and then choose the location of the folder. Install, click on next, and then next. Also we click on next. Then we are done for the R. We need to install the RStudio. Next, choose the location, and then we install it. Once we finish, then we just click on finish. Okay, the RStudio has been downloaded, so just open RStudio. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the RStudio. So we need to install the Shiny package. So I have this code. The package is successfully downloaded. So we are going to open our file or create a new project, so we can just click on this small button R. Then you want to choose a new directory or the existing directory. So I choose this. Then we go to desktop. So choose your locations. So I'll click create project. So our source code will be here. Once we are set up all the things, so we can try with our source code of the project. So this requires the libraries of the Shiny package, so that I installed just now. So we can try to run it. So this here will be the run app. So we just click on run apps, and this interaction web page will come out. So we can try it. The result will come out. Right, also you can click on the publish. Like this, you can publish the works to the Shiny apps, Posy Connect, and the Posy Cloud. So that's all for the R and Shiny setup tutorial. Thank you.